Hello, Michaela. It is still Tuesday, if I still recall, but I'm not really sure at this moment in time. So, interesting thing happened today. I wanted to watch the episode where Tom Baker first comes in as the Doctor, the fourth Doctor, because that's when I said I wanted to start watching Classic Who, because that was the first Doctor that everybody was really excited about. So, okay, so here's the thing. Regeneration is one of my favorite parts of Doctor Who. I'm not really sure why. Maybe I just think it's cool to be a different person but the same person at the same time. But so I wanted to see how the third Doctor regenerated into the fourth. I thought that would be really cool. So I looked it up, and it said that the last episode of season 11 was the one that I should look for. It was called Planet of the Spiders, if I didn't get that wrong. So I clicked on that one. I said, okay, let's watch Planet of the Spiders. So I started watching it, and I was like, that's interesting. Of course, there were these spiders that had mental abilities, and monks, and Sarah Jane Smith. So that was exciting, and the third Doctor wasn't half bad. So I was like, this is cool. This is okay. And then I got to the end of the episode, and the episode wasn't resolved, and the third Doctor didn't die. So that was frustrating. I'm not sure exactly what you watched, but if you didn't watch this, then I'm sorry. Perhaps if you watched the first episode of season 12, then you can update me on that on Thursday. But it ended up being in 6 parts, so there were 6 episodes that I had to watch to get the full story of the stupid spiders. They weren't stupid. Well, they were extremely smart spiders. They were smart because of this blue crystal. Sarah Jane Smith was I just really like her. I liked her when she came back in the new series, and so I thought that it would be really cool if she came back when she was first there. She was I know she was probably in that whole season and maybe a season or 2 before, but I liked what I saw of her so far. Oh man, those spiders though. They were cracking me up, and their voices, and they weren't supposed to be funny. I think they were supposed to be scary. The third Doctor is starting to go in the direction of how Doctors should go, but it was just funny because he had a lab on Earth, and he had all these machines, and it was just funny because he was using all this Earth equipment that he probably, could have used in the 2000s as well, but it's just funny how it's very reminiscent of the style of not Hollywood, but I guess the style of filming that was done during that day. Lots of just machinery and new technology, even though it was kind of mixed with magic. They called it a magic crystal, which was interesting as well. That was never really explained. Anyway, I liked it. It was just that I wasn't prepared to watch 6 episodes today. But I did, and it ended up being good. But it was anticlimactic because, there were in some regenerations, you see the new person in action immediately, and I was really hoping that would happen. But what ended up happening was that the crystal or something ended up destroying his cells, and then he came back to Earth to see Sarah Jane, and he died. Except for he didn't. And then he came back as the Fourth Doctor, except for you just saw the Fourth Doctor lying there and then it was nothing else. So, I didn't really get to see the Fourth Doctor in action. Hopefully, maybe you did. I don't know if you did the same thing that I did or if you just went straight to the Fourth Doctor. But, my review of it is that it was pretty... For the Third Doctor, what I saw of him in the stupid... I keep saying stupid. In the unexpected 6 episodes that I watched today, he was a very kind, elderly man. Elderly in the 60s, probably. But he was, you know, a decent doctor, from what I can tell. He may have evolved into that, but by the end of his lifetime, I think, you know, Sarah Jane was rather attached to him, so that says something. And I'm assuming she gets more attached to him as he gets younger, and does the Fourth Doctor, and you know. But anyway, so this is exciting. Classic Who, I'm excited. So now, I'm going to say goodbye to you, but then Ariel is going to say hello to you. So, here she is.
Okay, Meeks! Hello. I just want to show you my shirt, and I wanted to say hi. But, can you see it? That's the eye. It's awesome.
I'm going to put it under the light. I can't really see it.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, is that better?
Yeah.
And then this is the back. Kristen wrote the text because I can't write it and it would have looked awful.
Aw, don't say that.
It's true.
Alright, look. You. Not yo.
You.
There you go.
Meeks, that shirt's for you. Okay, I just want to say hi and I love you. That's it.
That's it?
That's all I have to say. Just my eternal love. So.
Okay.